Ready to supercharge your Blogger blog with a chatbot, but feeling lost in the techie jungle? First, head over to your Blogger dashboard and click on Theme in the left-hand menu. Next, find the Customize button and click on the drop-down arrow select Edit HTML. This opens the code editor where we'll embed the Xerochat script. Now locate the head. Tag within your blog's HTML. This is where we'll place the Xerochat script. Use Ctrl+F or CMD+F on a Mac to quickly find it. Copy the Xerochat script provided to you by Xerochat. It usually starts with script. Paste the script directly before the closing /head. Tag, make sure the script is properly formatted and doesn't break any existing code. Hit the save icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Blogger will process the changes. Visit your blog to see the Xerochat chatbot in action if it's not visible. Double-check that the script is pasted correctly and that the Xerochat settings are properly configured within your Xerochat account. Sometimes clearing your browser cache might help. Enjoy your upgraded Blogger blog.